Tinnitus is a perception of sound when no real sound is present.
Can you describe for me how your tinnitus sounds?
From my years of working as an audiologist, one of the biggest misunderstandings I see every day is when someone comes into my clinic and describes that they have tinnitus, ringing in the ears. They commonly ask me, what's wrong with my ears? Do I have something going on with my ears? And I have to explain that the source of tinnitus is not the ears, that the actual origin of the sound comes from the brain.